Hey, good morning, guys. Bright sunshine this morning. The sun's shining right at me. I hope this comes out all right. Okay, so the question of the day. This is Coffee and Questions, by the way. Um, this is I don't know this gentleman's name. Commando 602. It's actually a comment off of one of our YouTube videos. The one where I was at Lowe's picking out the cedar material, and I talked at one point about the grain of the board being kind of not conducive to being able to hold a straight line. Well, I didn't make that real clear, and his question is, much obliged for the video. I have a favor to ask of you. Could you do in the shop close-up, in-depth look at the board that has the grain that makes it cut hard, soft, hard, soft, hard, soft. That's what I talked about in that video from Lowe's. Couldn't tell by the video what the grain looked like and how to avoid buying that sucky board. Okay, so what I was referring to, guys, and specifically Commando 602, would be this would be a vertical grain. So I'm hopefully my honey can zoom in and you can see what that looks like. Now, when you have a grain that looks like that, I'm using pine here, by the way, guys, because the cedar is pretty rough. So it's tougher to get on camera. I can see it, looking with my naked eye. But anyway, so when you have a grain like this, sometimes it's kind of hard. So on these lines here, you might get that. I can still hold a pretty straight line, but if you don't have a lot of experience, and especially if your cutters aren't super, super sharp, then you might get that thing going hard, soft, hard, soft, hard, soft. So this vertical grain is what you want to try to avoid, and you can see it on the surface like this. Now, in contrast, this is more of a flat grain. This is a piece of pine also, just a piece of scrap cut off the end. This is a flat grain. When you carve this, you're going to be able to hold a much, much straighter line. So a flat grain as compared to a vertical grain. This is sucky board, this is non-sucky board. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope that answers your question, buddy. Thanks a lot, and we will see you tomorrow.